Go next. So January AI is a generative AI that predicts your next blood sugar level. We've been in research and development for over 6 years, and we have been clinically validated and published most recently in NPJ Digital Medicine, which is an imprint of Nature, and recognized for our glucose predictions. And the way the predictions work is that we take data from wearables that Ari just mentioned, for example, from continuous glucose monitors, from smartwatches, and also user-reported data, including food logs. And after a period of training, we're able to predict a person's response to any of the foods in our 32 million large food atlas. We do this for healthy people, people with prediabetes, people with type 2 diabetes that are not insulin intense. And what we have just brought to market, please roll the January AI video, is a new app that is free. It's a freemium product, and it uses 3 kinds of generative AI to tell you your blood sugar response. So it uses our own generative AI for glucose, and then it uses a vision generative AI to pick what's in a food, and then it uses a language model to give it a title, etc. So basically, you scan a food, as simple as scanning the food. You can also scan a barcode. You can also do a search. And we can tell you all the macros of a food, its total calories. We can tell you how much fiber, protein, and fat and carb it has. And we can also show you your blood sugar. So if you are keto and you want to maintain, no carbs, or if you are an athlete and want to have a certain amount of protein, or you're an older person, you want to maintain a certain kind of protein, it gives you all that idea. So it could be used for weight loss, or it could be used for managing, keeping your blood sugar in optimal state. So 1 out of 3 people in America has prediabetes, and 90% of them don't know it. And 1 out of 9 people has diabetes, and 20% of those people don't know it. So blood sugar is something we should all be managing, but we just don't know that we should. So January is passionate about getting the population, the entire US population, to be blood sugar aware, because half of the population has diabetes or prediabetes. So we want to make sure everyone is aware of blood sugar and is something they're actively working on.